Yeah, it's one of those.
This will be an awesome adventure.
Yeah, sure is. So how come it doesn't work with the store demos? There's clearly a try me button, but you would have to pull out that little collar in order to get it to work.
Let's roll on out of here.
You're not going anywhere. Walks, talks, and barks. I've talked the talk. Just try to walk the walk.
This will be an awesome adventure. The only power to rescue.
Imagine if they made like a turtle plushie that can talk, but was as slow as this toy here. Because that's what this toy is. As slow as a tortoise. So if we all come together, we know what to do. We all come together just to sing for you. And if we all come together, we know what to do.
This will be an awesome adventure.
Bam and slam and bam, this puppy dog pal. Too bad you don't have 9 lives. But you're not a cat. How many lives does a dog have? Post in the comments below. Well, that was really easy to break. Oh, its guts are spilling out of its belly now. Ugh. I didn't know its autonomy was so weak. Well, that was fun. Just before I end this video, I just want to make an apology for not posting too many videos this week. It's just